Welcome to our channel. If you want to stop receiving SMS forwarding notifications from LinkedIn, follow these step-by-step instructions to disable this feature. Step 1. Open the LinkedIn app on your smartphone or access LinkedIn through your web browser at linkedin.com. Log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. In the Settings page, look for the Communications tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access notification settings. Step 4. Navigate to How you get your notifications section. This area controls all the ways LinkedIn sends you notifications. Step 5. Click on SMS to view and manage your text message notification settings. You'll see all types of notifications that LinkedIn can send via SMS. Step 6. Look for message forwarding or similar SMS notification options. These control whether LinkedIn messages are forwarded to your phone number. Step 7. Toggle off the switch next to SMS message forwarding notifications. This will prevent LinkedIn from sending text messages for message alerts. Step 8. While you're in the SMS settings, review other SMS notification types and disable any others you don't want to receive, such as connection requests or job alerts. Step 9. Scroll down to find Frequency Settings if available. Here you can adjust how often LinkedIn sends SMS notifications or turn them off entirely. Step 10. Save your changes by clicking Save or Done at the bottom of the page. Your SMS notification preferences have now been updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.